Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and I just have a short video today. It's a little bit of a tutorial to show you how I piece my blocks or rotate the fabrics in my blocks for my stacks quilt pattern. There you can see it there. That is a crib or lap size, and it only takes 9 fat quarters. This one I did is huge. This one is Quilt Town from Missouri Star Quilt Company. I can't remember how big it is. But on my pattern, I have the sizes for different quilts. This one here is also, both of these were made with batiks from Island Batik. So I just want, like I said, it's just a short one to show you how I put the block together. So I hope you enjoy seeing it. I forgot to mention that there is a link below down in the description for my quilt pattern so that you can find it on either my Etsy store or in my Shopify store. And right now it's on sale, so I hope you enjoy this. Thanks. When I make the stacks quilt, I turn it so that this is the 22 inches and this is the 18 inches. And kind of try to square up the fabric a little bit. Do that. I'm just going to trim just a little bit off. I've got all 9 layers, so it's going to take a little bit, possibly, to cut it off. A little bit there. There. And then I will cut my pieces for the quilt. And there I go. There I have my pieces cut. Oops. I'm going to leave the A pile just as it is. Take the B pile and move the top fabric to the back. I'm going to go to the C pile and take the first and the second fabric and move them to the back. I'm going to continue 1, 2, 3, goes to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, goes to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, goes to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, goes to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, goes to the back. This one's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All go to the back. And this is the way you're going to sew your blocks together. What I do is I sew here, A to B to C. Make another row, D, G H I, and then sew those together. And as you use these top fabrics here, the next one, I'll show you what that's going to look like. This is the first block that I finished. As you can see, you don't have to worry about the blocks, the seams matching, and your block is a rectangle. So you'll be able to